I'm done. I want to see it all crash down to zero and burn. I don't care, and I had enough. And I'm very serious about this. Hello everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is a very important video because I was doing my early morning routine, a quick workout, then manifestation, going out. I really like to drive out in Dubai and just enjoy a good car, a nice cup of coffee, etc. and just look at the markets and stuff as I get into my day. And if you're interested, check out what my day looks like. I'm gonna day in the life right here, you can check it out. But in all seriousness, in my yesterday's video, I believe we spoke about what is happening right now with the treasury yield and the bond yield and what is happening in the world right now in general. And I showed you this chart right here with, you know, all the bad stuff that happened when we saw the treasury yield going up so fast and so high. And I also showed you what Peter Schiff is saying, that we're gonna see another wave of bank failures and this kind of stuff. So I didn't plan to make a video, so subscribe, hit that notification bell, call me Mr. Sparando in the comments. And I'm making this video right now for you guys just out of the blue, just in the car. You know, I'm looking at this chart right here, which is this 20-year treasury bond ETF. And something, let me show you another one that I'm seeing something new and I didn't show you yesterday. And this is the renewed interest in bank rate issues, and this is basically the bank losses that are held right now on their balance sheets. So what banks are holding right now? They're the hodlers. We're hodling Bitcoin, they're hodling their losses. Let me show you. This is what it looks like right here. This is how bad it is, 2010. And this is how bad it is right now with the banks. So, and because of this, we're seeing a lot of people start to come out and call out a crash that could be worse than 2008. And this is right here, you know, Bitcoin and crypto under the lens as bond market recalls 2008 crash. Oh, it's gonna be hard, but let me stop it so it's not gonna be as loud. So, and to be honest, I'm looking at this and I want it all to crash. I want it all to burn. And then you're gonna tell me, Thomas, but then Bitcoin is gonna go down together with it. And to be honest, having seen all of this and having considered all of this, I'm not so sure. The last time when we've seen bank failures and everything going down, and actually right now, I mean, S&P going down, as we've seen this yesterday, I showed you yesterday, but Bitcoin, it's going up regardless. And right now, Bitcoin is actually, look, it's not doing so bad. And if we're gonna go to a bigger time frame, geez, it's getting hot. When you're moving in a car, it's okay, but sitting and no AC, it's pretty bad. It's Dubai, baby. So, and it's still hot. Hopefully in October and November it's gonna get better. So anyway, right here, we've seen these crazy pumps in the price because of what? That's right, because of the bank failures. So if we are seeing banks still hodling so much debt, and if this crash comes as a liquidity crunch and liquidity crisis, meaning just like 2008, this is what it was, then this is gonna be good for Bitcoin. I want all this shit to fucking crash down to zero, man. I don't care. I hold 85% of my net worth is all in crypto. I increased it from, it's getting too hot. I actually increased it from 50% to 85%. And I made a video about this because I'm seeing what is happening right now. I don't want to be sitting in the dollar. I don't want to be sitting in US stocks, bonds, like this shit. I don't want to be in there. The only thing that makes sense, if you want to park your money, maybe real estate, maybe gold, but only if you want to park your money, not make money. It's not going to make you any money, adjusted for real inflation. So the only asset is Bitcoin. So therefore, you know, I'm moving more into it. And considering this, there people are, you know, short-term perspective, once everything crashes, maybe, you know, Bitcoin is going to stand in the same place, maybe downtick a little bit because of the general fear. But then I think it's going to simply skyrocket, and it's going to also come in with the ETF halving, etc. Because that's what it was created for. It was created after the 2008 crisis and after the collapse of Lehman Brothers, when there was, you know, instilled a huge distrust in the banks came in. So this was the actual freaking moment. And we potentially are standing at the brink of another one with all the debt, adding $300 billion worth of debt in one single day. What? Really? So considering this and everything we're saying and the potential, I mean, they will start printing money again to sustain this dead cat that we know is the fiat system. But Bitcoin, So many people are gonna be fleeing to it, and we're seeing proof of this. It's decorrelating already. Decorrelating, yeah, whatever. So, guys, I don't know. I think that we might see a huge crash, which is going to be inverse for Bitcoin, and it's gonna be a huge pump for Bitcoin. You can call me delusional, you can call me whatever, but I'm not just saying this because I have some fairy dust in my head, because I see the numbers, I see the reaction to the price to certain events in the economy. And I mean, if you don't see it, well, either you're blind or you're just not checking. So let me know what do you guys think down in the comments. But this is, I mean, I want it all to crash because I think it's like Bitcoin is going to simply explode. And also, real quick, if you want to be trading, I'm trading over on Bybit, and if you want to trade too, you gotta trade with using my exclusive link down description in this video, and you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. And we're closing this special offer. If you deposit $100, you will also get $100 on top of it within a couple of days, sent personally from me. So it's my gift from me to you. So if you want to use it, now you have a couple of days left. We're gonna close it off this special bonus, but you can still claim up to 30K. But then there is deposit requirements, trading requirements, etc. So I don't know how about you, but I've gone basically already at this point all in on Bitcoin, and I don't feel bad about it. I gotta move because it's getting too hot. I don't feel bad about it one single bit. And if it all comes crumbling down with a huge recession, so be it. Because I think we're gonna make simply more money. I think it's gonna be that crazy. So anyway, just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, peace and love, Tom Scroll, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.